Welcome to Teacher Moments. We hope you'll enjoy our practice spaces. To start, you'll see a window that asks you to log in, create an account, or continue anonymously. We want you to continue anonymously. So click here. You can choose the temporary username that is generated for you. So click Yes, Continue. Next, read over our consent agreement, which is a standard agreement for our practice spaces. If you have any questions, you'll find an email address at the end of the agreement. Once you're done reading, click Agree or Not, and continue with the scenario. Even if you do not agree, you can still do the scenario. Okay. Click Continue the scenario. Great. There, you'll be now ready to start the practice space and respond to the prompts as best you can.